Anthony MALVO.
People, are you ready? What do you mean? Big up Rockback, Black Star, Jammies. Yo, we're glad to see this, you know. We're glad to see this, you know, because you know, them talk about reggae music dead, but it can't dead. You hear me I say? I love this road, boy. I'm broke up all of my brethren from way back. What do you mean? What do you mean? I want to do. Rubber Blob. Love, hey, Mr. Music. I'm telling you, give thanks to the Almighty God, because we're there. Yeah, man, give thanks for life, because we're there. See me I say, same way. Yeah, man, young, fresh, and green.
Hold on, the MALVO. It's stuck. Computer stuck. Make me go on to the talking. See? Computer freeze. Just give a little time. Now big up all the people from Canada tonight. See, African Love. Big them up. Them sponsor it tonight. African Love out of New York. Big up Family Barbers out of Canada. Seeing them there. Ace! You ready, MALVO?
Yeah, man, give thanks, man. Long time in the zone, you know. Do you remember this? Ooh, tell me if you know them song, yeah. Whoa, do I wake up in the morning with my head down in my eyes, and she said, "Wheel up." Remember tune? Remember them tune, yeah? Now rubber dub now go on again. And you remember them days, yeah? Ooh, whoa, yes. Do I wake up in the morning with my head down in my eyes, and she said, and I stumbled through the breakfast table where my kid was going off to school. Goodbye. She reaches out and touches my hand, squeeze it and say, yeah, how you feeling now? And I look across her smiling lips, warms my heart to see my morning sun.
Everybody's lit.
If that's not loving me, that's all I've got to say. Hear this now. Oh, God didn't make a little green apple. It don't rain in mean apples under summertime. We love next show. Oh, you mean? People, are you ready? Oh. Big up Rockback. Oh, well. Remember them, hold on this. Lower. Remember them days of Black Star? You remember them days of King Jamis? You remember that say? I give you the sun, the moon, the rain, the stars, and the mountain. We love. I want to talk about Rubber Dub Thursday. Ooh. A Rubber Dub Thursday. Oh, well. Hear this. Give you the sun, the moon, the rain, the stars, and the mountain. I'll give you the world and all that you wish for, and even more. Girl, I love you more than you should know, and that's for sure. I climbed the highest, swim the water sea. Nothing can discourage me, and I pray that you will be all I ever need forevermore. Whoa, ready? We love. Next tune, I want to talk about Rubber Dub. Hear this now. Easy. Now we get serious. Our Clark Street Massive, Denver. Ricky Ticky. You bam 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 bam. You bam bam. Ladies, bad-minded people. Them better. We love. Yeah, man. What you mean? Don't a bad man. Why? Whoa. Ayoga, listen this. bam, 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 bam. You bam, bam. Listen this. Bad-minded people, them better change their ways. Why we want wicked-minded people must reach your judgment days. Ooh, 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 ooh. Down in the ghetto when I'm born and grow, there's a lot of people that rhyme and know. When you try to make some improvement in life, they wanna knock you off when you stride. See you up on the road, them say respect you. Behind the back, them does a soup and yo. When you call and chosen a few, what you gonna do when you're calling you? Bad man, next show.
Why, Malvo? Malvo! Yeah. Why? Trust me, my brother. Bad artist.
You remember that song, yeah? Hold on there. Remember this? One who used to go Jammies, eh? Who used to go Jammies? King Jammies. Who used to go Black Star? Brock back. It's another morning without you. We love
bad artists. Yo!
Bad artists. Hey, hold on there. Hold on, they must say all artists. We are the baddest. We are the baddest.
Yeah.
No boy can't bad like we. We come from the real school.
Yeah.
Real school we come from.
Yo, man.
Remember you know say real school.
Real school.
Let off.
Malvo, hold on. When we start this, enough boy did a fight against it.
Yeah.
And our whole artists them.
Whole
Look where Berries and Bujo do.
Okay.
Our whole artists, and you see we're going to country.
Yeah. Reggae live forever. Reggae music live forever. It's another morning without you. It's another day will I get through it without breaking down. Haven't seen the sun since you've been gone. Like my heart I'm lost when you left me and can't be found. How can I go on? Baby, I've been living on memories of you and me. All the love we made, all those tender nights and those endless days, they were here inside. Baby, can't you stop the rain from falling? Won't you chase my cloud away? I'll give anything to see the sun we love. Yeah, man. You want to see this one? This is the next bad soul.
Puchilo!
Ricky Ticky does school youth. I'm a youth this. Ricky Ticky. Them youth are real youth. I'm a straight youth this. Big up all the people that love reggae music. Because we love reggae music. But now reggae music can't dead. See me I say, because we there road. We don't might not see me, you know, but we there far, so I mash up road. Make them tell them about me. You hear me I say, follow me on a digital platform. The real Anthony Malvo and everything. See? Check me out. See? You don't want to know. You don't want to know. You don't want to know. The one from the album called Macho, the new album. The one I call Jai's My Light. Hear this. Oh, what is this? Oh, that, play that, man. Dedicated to the ladies. You remember this to all the beautiful girls? What would I do without your smart mouth? Drawing me in and kicking me out. Got my head spinning, no kidding, I can't pin you down. What's going on in the beautiful mind? I'm your magical mystery rhyme. And I'm so dizzy, don't know what hit me, but I'll be alright. My head's underwater, but I'm breathing fine. You're crazy and I'm out of... Let me understand. Cause love all of me. Love your curves and all your edges. All your perfect... Wheel up!
All on pull up, you hear me? Anthony Malvo, yes. You know, I will pay years.
Yeah, man.
Enough respect.
Enough respect.
Yeah, sing, youth.
What you mean?
Go on, sing.
Reggae music.
Come in, Peter.
Play it again. You remember that song, you know? Hear this. You think that's up? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Do you remember this song? Tell me if you know a song. Me if you know a song. Remember that one? Alone in a crowd, on a bus after work, I'm daydreaming. Oh yeah, yeah. A guy next to me have his girl on his arm. My arms are empty. It seems unfair that is love everywhere and there is none for me. How does it feel when the girl that you love say yes she loves? Let me understand. Yeah. Some guys have all the love, yes. Some guys have all the pain. Some guys have a little sunshine in the light. My life is oh. Do you remember this one? You know what I want? Sitting in the park, waiting for you. Next tune. I will not stay long. You know what I mean? I want to do them. Reggae music, we answer. Reggae music. Whoa! This is from the new album. New album itself. Hear this, lower. When the wicked man a plan with him friend, them fi gun you down. Jah will be there for you. Don't let the devil them stress you to wear a frown. Jah will be there. Hold when your pocket run dry and up and around. Jah will be there for you. Hold your head up. Never get head up. Just keep the faith. There'll be no darkness tonight. Jah is my light that shines from town to city, yes. Just believe in the King and He will provide for you. Next tune. Yeah, hear me? Yeah, hear me? What do you hear this now? One remember say we do the biggest baddest tune, me and Daddy Lizard. Daddy Lizard! Oh, we are f***ing now. Ooh. Daddy Lizard! You remember them tune? You remember that tune? You remember that tune? Hear this now,
Kick it out, Malvo.
baby, let's go.
Yes, man.
Away from a heat. Don't be confused, no.
Robert out
No
there
way.
says.
It's a clean.
One Daddy Lizard. One Anthony Malvo.
And if you want it, you've got it forever. This is not a one-night stand, yeah.
Kick it out.
Let the music blow your mind.
Your mind and soul.
Girl, just seek and you will find it. You're gonna fly away.
You know, Sir Robert
Let
out there
it be
over there.
my
And
way.
you don't want to play with things, Oliver.
I love it
Tolo
when
say,
you're cruising.
all right.
Lizard.
I am the greatest girl lover from Jamaica. Locking. A long time I don't see me, you know. I want to know Lizard go already, you know. I want to play with people, you know. Take them on the boss. Manners and respect.
Hear this.
Teach them.
Put on your red dress. Slip on your high heels.
Yes,
Some
I.
of that sweet perfume.
What you say?
Sure smell good on you. Slide on your lipstick.
You see?
Let your head down.
After what I done with them here.
When you get you.
Yes, man.
I wanna show love you.
The greatest girl lover from Jamaica. Any girl me love me, say me love them proper fire. Greatest. Any girl me love me, say me love them. Fewer. Give me lover, want me lover. Give me lover, me chang lover. Give me lover, want me lover. Give me lover, me chang lover. Me rub me from me back, I up me rub me shoulder. And check that the lizard, that the A1 lover. And when it come to loving, we no love it just. We brain just a tackle like a computer. We mouth just a move like a millimeter. So me and Malvo, we are powering partner. Come.
Baby, let's go. Wheel up! People, are you ready? Next tune! Next tune! You know, the thing is down here. Hear this now. That one I mash up the world. Whoa! Yeah. That is an Anthony Malvo. Hear this. Hear this. I'm gonna take you to the dance tonight. Put on your best dress tonight.
See what the man say.
I'm gonna wake you till broad daylight. Be on your best dress tonight. Daddy Lizard.
So put on for your dress and put on for your jewelry. Me and you is going to a nice party. Uptown or downtown or Kingston City. Will. Yeah. Hold on. It's alright now, I'm going to tell you something.
You.
Put up.
Oh. You do it again, youth?
Hold on. We'll do it again, man. I'm going to show one of our vibes. It's a music. A real something. And it's a talent.
Easy, youth.
It's like a good education. No matter how all you get, walking with a stick, never come out. Drop it again. Some of them go on like them. Them young. Me did young before. And them say we are talking about that thing. Loud them and them live. Screech it, you bring up. Scary. Put a lead. Kick it, Malvo.
I'm gonna take you to the dance
Get a rich boss.
tonight.
Quality.
Put on
Connection.
your best dress tonight.
Motivation.
I'm gonna wear you till broad daylight.
You know?
Be on your best drape tonight. That Lizard.
Put on for your dress and put on for your. Me and you is going to a nice. Uptown or downtown or Kingston. And the posse them have to come follow we. And when we hold them, I come and appear agony. Watch how the posse them a jump up for we. Say me and Malvo a pouring B. And when we draw a piece of the winery, watch how the girl them a wine them body. And when we draw for the girl them lover. Now every posse get big bout ya.
No, you don't suit those other guys.
Hold on.
Girl, you.
Malvo.
Really?
Pull up.
Yes, sir.
No, Selassie, I know. You know, since I tried this.
Yeah, man.
You know, about 20 years, me and a brother in a pub having up.
Yeah, man.
I'm not lie.
I'm going to rubber dub Thursday, can bring this.
Admit it, me love it.
Say rubber dub Thursday. Are the real thing.
All right. Hold on.
Bless up.
Pull up. We're going to change the ball game a little now. Because you know Lizard steer. On our move like no woman no in here, sir. Look how much night. None. Ready? All of my girls get familiar. Get ready now. Look, girl, if you have your own man, and in the hair, you're expensive and there. Mate, to see you take up like a nuclear. But the way you have it expensive and me say run, girl, run. The one of the man, run, girl, run. The one of the man, the one of the man, go home. You beat me. They say no, marrow people, man, and you we get in a trouble. Marrow people, man, and you we get in a trouble. You what? Can't get no man, some girl can't get no. Can't get no man, some girl can't get no. Me say them marrow flower gun from him baby mother, and I jump and I pose up in a one corner and tell him baby mother she discover. She take up her foot and sort out the area. Run, girl, run. They wanna feed the man a go. People, are you ready? Hold up. Me come here with a little bit of problem, see? But you know, through a general experience, me have rhythm fault. Thumb drive now fly. So anything come work with. Here what? Yeah. Here what? You see when me just try busting out the business, me a be in a zinc up bathroom. And the host come over and when me look up. No, this one here Jamaica fly past. Yellow and orange. And me I say, when me I go touch that? Me not say nothing, Oliver. Me not say nothing, drop the rhythm. Me just sing a song. I hear what me sing first. Me not hear the mic, the rhythm too loud. Hear what? I'm leaving on a jet plane. I don't know when. Kiss me and smile for me. Tell me that you hold me like you never let me go. I me say anything me say, only say I feel fly out. Anything me say, only say I feel fly out. Not on a British Airways, not on a Jamaica, not on the New Concord, not on a Eastern Ear. What me do? Jamming a Kingston, out of Southern. Me and me brethren, we a sip too stout. Remember that the lizard foreign of you talk about. Yes, and that the lizard and the DJ. Again, have to fly out. Again, have to fly out. Jamming a me house around 11:30. Me and me girl know what them call Rosemary. Telegram coming, money coming for me. No, signed by me sister and me auntie. Now them wonder the lizard in a foreign city. Pack up we think man immediately. Jump in a car, me say that a taxi. I wish part to be jokes and I'm a manly. Now the plane it before cross the Caribbean Sea. And everybody them dance to think for me. The foreign can't miss you, it can't miss me. Foreign can't miss me, it can't miss me. England, Cayman, German, Japan. All right. Hold on. Me have a thing for the woman them. Just speak up on yourself and if I want to look good, just put up on the answer. All of the woman them. Drop it. That one name Knocky later. Oliver. Yeah, why you bounce it though? And some decent one drop. Like you got a good score. Me no want no knocky later. Me no want no ghostbuster. Me no want no hater and no syphilis. Come bout ya. When that deal is that chat, me say we boot bout ya. Me say we bring us a chuckle like a computer. Me say we mount it down like a millimeter. And we say anywhere we go, gun, one drop. Hey, watch how you meet for your new lover. Nobody kiss up on a jaw and hug her on a shoulder. Looking at her mouth if her teeth them scatter. Make sure they not have no bad odor. Ask her question like you a doctor. And make sure she don't have malaria. If you have a thermometer, then you test the temperature. Now this is a message from me, doctor. He say, watch how you give people ice water. When they don't use the glass, you wash it all proper. Him tell me something for that heavy lover. What him say? Watch his breast, she leg, none of the something, shag, man, jam. Body said, we don't want no knocky later, we don't want no ghostbuster. Well,
teach them. Hey, yo, hello. Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them.